Here I have Xiaomi Mi A2 and let me show you how to change wallpaper on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by using your home screen. Find and select here the settings. From the following list, let's find and select display. Choose here wallpaper, and right now you can use the live wallpapers. You can use wallpapers from photos from your gallery, or you can use the Xiaomi wallpaper. So let me use the Xiaomi one. So this is the list of wallpapers that you can use. In my case, let me use for example the following one. Let me tap set wallpaper, and you can choose this wallpaper for your home screen, lock screen, or you can set this up on both screens. In my case, let me use it on my lock screen. As you can see right now, if I press the power key, I should see the new wallpaper from Xiaomi. So that's it, everything went well, thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.